Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Temu application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then simply tap on the search box and then type in Temu and start your search. Now once you find the Temu application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Temu application on your smartphone. Wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button you can tap on it to open up the Temu app. And once the application is opened up, you can continue forward with signing in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one to start using Temu right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Temu application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.